All right, what's happening, y'all? Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to be doing a Walmart clearance challenge, head-to-head against the main man, Brandon. Yeah, there's a lot of mud. We are here at the duck pond here at the Macy Center again, and you know, we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Brandon ended up buying the Shimano Sienna combo for like what, 30 bucks? 31?
Yeah,
$31. Then I got the Abu Garcia Vengeance combo. And it already had line on there and everything for 45. Not too bad for a bait caster combo. You're gonna start here?
Yeah, we'll start right here.
I think, yeah, we just came from the outdoor adventure show up in Albuquerque. We got a bunch of cool custom baits and stuff from Dead On and the Albuquerque Bait Company and whatnot. So we're gonna be testing out a bunch of stuff. I'm going to, he's throwing a wacky rig. I'm going to tie on one of these little worms here from this company. Got to meet the guy who made these, and he's super cool, super cool. I'm excited to try all this stuff out. They're like black and blue and purple and...
Oh, is that the one guy? What's
yeah, nice little trick worm. I don't know if I got his name. I have his card though.
Got one.
Already. Brandon is hooked up on the wacky rig. He's a better fisherman than I am for sure. Dude, that's a good one. Dude, that is a good bass. Dude.
The perfect hook set right in the eye.
Right on, dude. That'll work. I might switch up to a wacky rig too. Can't really beat that. Yeah.
Little guy, tiny little guy, maybe 1.2 pounds.
Yeah, really. But that's a tank for this pond. He's almost twice the size of the bass I caught here last week. Nice, dude.
You hit it right on the ball.
Yeah, that'll work. Could probably loosen the brakes up a little bit. It'll take me a little bit to get this thing dialed in, I'm sure. But I'm going back with the Ned rig.
What's the challenge? This is the most? Come on.
You know what? I hadn't thought about it. Maybe most fish?
Most fish?
So far you're winning.
I'm bleeding for largest fish too, so.
Yeah, I think you might win already with that one. I don't know if we're gonna beat that. All right, so we got some baits from my buddy Chris down at Dead On Baits from Las Cruces. Well, you're catching fish, so I'm definitely gonna throw the same thing as you did. That doesn't defeat the challenge. It's about the challenge is a. Well, I mean, no. I want to catch fish too, Brandon. Another one? Or is that a snag? Oh, dude, you are absolutely killing it today. Dude, you're such a beast. Yeah, see, that's about the size of the one I caught last week.
He's going blind after this.
Uh-oh. Dude, you're a beast. That's already 2 fish for Brandon. I haven't gotten on the board yet. Good stuff, dude. Chris makes some pretty solid baits. That's a nice mallard.
It wiggles so perfectly.
It does.
Like, it sounds so weird. It wiggles like a dream.
Oh, there's some wood ducks over there too.
What?
There's a couple wood ducks mixing with those widgeon.
I don't remember there being that many ducks over here.
This time of year, there's a lot. Just the migratory season, you know?
They don't eat the fish, huh?
No.
I don't remember there being that many cuts.
Yeah, that's one thing I didn't throw here last week was a weightless Texas rig.
And I also could do that with my. Kind of what I was thinking. I'm just trying to get something like this.
Yeah. Dude, you are a beast.
Dude, I didn't even feel it. Dude, I didn't even feel it.
Dude, and these fish are kind of chunky this year. They've definitely.
Oh, and he didn't even need it. Look at that. Got him in the tooth bone. Didn't even need it. That's not even a legal catch.
Dude, that's awesome.
Little 1 pounder.
Not even.
Not even.
That's a.
I'm gonna retie. It's a good measure.
Yeah, take your time, Brandon. Take your time.
So I'm gonna need to catch it.
Don't count me out just yet, Brandon.
I didn't count you out.
I don't know, I'm just saying. I could make a comeback, maybe.
Don't call it comeback.
I've been here for years. All right, I want to try these stick baits here from the Albuquerque Bait Company. The same guy who made those first ones I was throwing. There we go, I got that one opened up perfect that time. But these little brown stick baits could work pretty good. Yes, sir. What? Yeah. I got my first bite just here. I just got my first bite. That was beautiful. That was definitely something. Can you tell I'm not used to a bait caster anymore? I'm surprised this is the first backlash I've thrown with this reel though. But that was completely operator error. That had nothing to do with this reel. No, I mean, I'm surprised that that I've not thrown more backlashes.
Yeah, why are you surprised?
Well, because I'm really good at throwing backlashes. That was so good. I'm trying to skip it underneath that. Oh gosh. Trying to skip it underneath there.
I skipped trying to skip. So.
Oh gosh. That was almost a really good cast. I think that's a salvageable, possibly. Gosh, I suck, dude. Yeah, 3 for 3 on getting it on the bridge. At least that time was a little bit closer. No. No ideas for you. Got one.
Dude, it's about time.
Dude, he's pretty good. That's a nice one. New pond PB.
Hold on.
You got one too?
They're stacked up with them. No, I'm gonna cast it.
No, they're not.
That's stacked up. Like that cast?
Dude, this is a nice bass out of this pond. He's almost as big as your first one. Oh gosh, it's super soft right there. Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and get him back. Did you get? Yeah, you got one. You got one. You got one. Oh, I did it, Brandon. I casted right in there. I knew I had a bite down in there.
All right, and then you just get 4 fish.
I need you to,
Get to get the limits.
I need you to not catch any more fish ever. You should though, go get that big glide bait. Throw that on your spinning rod. That was a good fish, dude. These fish in this pond fight so.
One.
Yep, got him.
I saw him too.
Yeah. And he's fighting so good. Look at this guy. Yeah. No, keep throwing the wacky rig. Dude, this guy's like the same size as the other one. Maybe the bass in this pond are growing. Maybe, dude. They're definitely doing something. This is nice. Right on, dude. Thank you for biting. There he goes. Dude, that makes me so happy. I didn't think that was gonna be a good cast, but I mean, it worked out perfect. Oh, that is the cast, brother. I know, because I think they might be stacked up right there. That's what someone was telling me anyway. Ooh.
You got another bite?
Yeah.
Already?
Oh, he's pulling my pants down. Trying to.
We're using the same bigger.
Yeah. He was trying to take advantage of me. It's all right. I'm trying to take advantage of him too. Let me get my hands on you, buddy.
Who's that? What fish is this? So let me get my hand on you, buddy.
I don't know. Does someone else say that?
Who says that?
I don't even know. I thought I was being original.
No,
Dang it.
it's an old fish.
That's all I want. No, I always say I want to get my hands on something cold-blooded, and I'm not talking about my ex. Oh, you got one? I'm trying to get. I had the perfect cast too, and that one, I don't know if I'll be able to replicate it because I'm, you know, such a great angler. Eesh.
I heard that one, dude.
Eesh. Are you serious? Get off. Get off. Be a snag. Be a snag. Is that a snag? Yes! I'm such a jerk. Oh gosh. This cast right here is pretty saucy. I'm trying to get right by that middle pylon right there on this bridge. I'm thinking that's where they're at.
I know.
Looks like you tried to pull your pants down too.
Yeah. Sure.
Sorry. Not sorry. I'm not sorry at all.
Don't say sorry when you're not sorry, okay? Let's establish this. Dude, go away.
We are tied.
Get off, get off.
He's. Oh no! No! I horsed him too much. I should have just let him play. Dang it, dude! I knew that cast was so perfect too. I knew I was gonna get one. So we both caught No, we both lost the fish.
Yeah, we both lost it.
Oh, but that cast right there. That cast just did something for me right then.
Did it?
Yeah.
What are you throwing on it? A Ned ring?
Um,
Brand Ned ring?
yeah, one of those stick baits that I just broke it in half. Did you snag again?
I'm just looking at the stuff I got.
This one's pinned good. We've tied it up, Brandon. We have tied it up. It took me a while, but I got him figured out now. Whew.
They just stacked up one spot.
Yeah, pretty much. You should get in there.
Going to at this
Man, look at that. Beautiful. Dude, these fish are so much fun. Look at it go. Oh, is that oh, one of those crawls you tore out. Dude, that could work.
I'm gonna get up. Like that.
No, not really. You're kind of far away.
I had a spinning rod.
I know. Just, you know, just go straight. Oh, I'm so sorry. That was my fault. I was trying to demonstrate. Just cast it out straight along the. All I've been doing is just bringing it straight across the. Dude, that's the cast. That one's perfect. Just real slow. Just kind of hop it and let it sit. And they're hitting it like right, like maybe 2 feet on this side of the pylon.
Really?
Yeah. Why am I helping you? We have a challenge right now. What the heck?
No, I'm just letting you.
I'm gonna go this way. See if I can catch anything this way. Kind of doubt it. Get off.
He's been good.
Dude, that is a good fish. That's number 4. And he's a good one too. He's like the same size as that first one you caught. They're so chunky. Oh, I'm farting too. That Genghis grill, man, it's coming after both of us. Coming after both of us. Dang, I shouldn't have given you that tip. Now you're in the lead again. Taking all my fish. Don't you fish my dock. Ooh, that was an aggressive cast, but it's where I wanted it to go, but it landed a little hard. Are you right on the other side? I'm gonna tag team them, double up. No way, dude, I just got hit again. Yep. Come on, buddy. Dude, they're stacked right there. Dude, this guy ate it perfect. Oh gosh. Beautiful fish. All right, let's get back in there.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
You got one? Oh. All right, let's dude, I thought that cast was gonna be horrid. But right there on that pylon, dude. Dude, like after you caught like those 3 fish just right here, I was like, dang it. I lost. But we're back in the game. Dude, you startled me. You took off. And he left all of his baits over here. Do it. You won't. Oh, he came off. Yeah, dude. He was on there. Yeah, the baitcaster is there. That is definitely a factor. Here's your knife, sir. Yeah. Now I know that there's like a concrete structure over there too. Snagged? There's a bunch of snags right. Oh, that's the thing I just snagged on. Dude, this is such a nice evening. Yeah. I'm snagged. Definitely snagged. Definitely snagged. And with this, I've taken the lead. He's bad. Got another one. Gosh. Oh, that was a too much rotation on that fish flop right there. Sorry, bud. I'll treat you better. You got one? Don't lose him. So we're tied up again. Is it? No, he's not bigger. No, he's not as big.
Dude, they're definitely feeding this fish.
That or they're eating something. That's a nice fish though.
Yeah, number 5.
Oh, you went back to your wacky rig?
Yeah, got it. No way. Couldn't catch him on the net rig. You're getting good, aren't you?
No.
You mind stopping?
No.
No. Him.
That's a her. Thank you.
Sorry, I don't know my pronouns that well.
Yeah, don't assume that duck's gender. Sorry.
Sorry.
It's one of them they-there ducks. a them there duck.
Them there bit?
There's a them there zimzer duck right there. That mallard probably identifies as a wood duck.
You came over here, you stopped biting.
Yeah, pretty much.
Look at that.
Ooh, hook is out on nothing. I just wanted to kind of get in your head a little bit. So far, I think we've established that you don't need to spend more money to catch more fish. I mean, it's pretty a well-established fact either way. But, I mean, both of these rods came on clearance. You spent $31 on your rod, but then you had to buy line for yours. $8 for a thing of line, so just under $40 for yours total. But you still have a lot line left over too, and then $45 for mine. And it comes, yeah, pretty close. That's a good cast right there, I think. Fingers crossed. Let's see. 4% left. All right, so the GoPro's dead, but Brandon is hooked up to another fish. This officially gives him the lead. Now that is the biggest fish of the day, dude. That is for sure the biggest fish of the day. He's pushing 2. Nice and dirty. He is pushing 2 pounds, dude. Nice.
Biggest fish of the day, kind of thick. Oh man, juicy.
Well, Brandon wins with his clearance, Walmart clearance rod. Nice fish, dude. Man, this makes me so happy that the fish in this pond are getting healthier.
If we get released,
Go ahead, I got you.
I want that
Get down there nice and close like. Bye, buddy.
right under the sticks
Yeah.
right here. She went right under these sticks.
Where's he going?
She's not going anywhere.
Well, hey, either way, that's it for this video. Good job, Brandon. Nice win.
Sick, dude.
So,
I'll throw back in there. I'm gonna keep fishing.
yeah, let's we're gonna fish for a little bit longer, but Brandon officially wins the challenge. that was good stuff. And look at the sun through the trees, and then you got M Mountain up yonder. Just a beautiful, beautiful evening of fishing. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we will catch y'all on the next episode. Look at that stud over there on the bridge. Catch another one, Brandon.
That was a tank. That was a big
That was definitely the biggest fish. You got most fish and biggest fish. Congratulations, dude.